My name is Gunakar Reddy. I was born and raised in Sulurpeta. I completed BE Mechanical SMI stream with 80%, and I completed intermediate in Sri Gayatri Junior College with 80%, and completed my 10th in ZPHS Mangalam with 68%. Coming to my technical skills, I am good in Java and Python, good in coding. I was trained in Vcube, and my hobbies are playing cricket and watching TV. My short-term goal is get job in well-reputed company.
Okay, very good. Tell me, what do you mean of method of overloading in Java?
Method overload.
Yes.
Creating in a class, creating a method with same method name with different arguments is known as method overloading. It can be overloaded based on the type of arguments or length of arguments or order of occurrence of arguments.
Very good, very good. So tell me first, what do you mean of multiple inheritance?
For one class, having multiple parent class is known as multiple inheritance. It cannot be achieved through the Java. By using interfaces, we can achieve.
Why we cannot achieve it in Java?
Sir, basically when we create an object for that class, internally call will goes to the superclass constructor. It may create the problem because they have two parent classes. Which parent class constructor should be called? It generates a confusion termed as ambiguity, and the error is also known as ambiguity error.
Ambiguity. Okay. Write a program in Java or Python, the way you want. Okay. So write a program. I want you to tell me the nth prime number. Nth prime number. So right, 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers. 2 is the first prime number. 3 is second prime number. So if I enter 5, so I want to get fifth prime number. Write a program for it. Yes. Tell me, what is the meaning of this statement, man? First, what is the meaning of this statement?
N value we don't know. It's a user input.
So anyway, n value you are reading. Now, tell me, what is this I?
First starting value. We don't know which number we will take. So starting from 2, so we take I is equal to 2. Okay. Then I take count. So which number we want to execute number of iterations. To find that, we use count as 0. Starting. So count is 0. 0 is less than number what will be. So it will be execute. So for j in range, to check whether the given number is prime number or not, we use this logic. If it is break, means it does not execute else block, directly it will come. If it is not break, so condition fails only, it will execute else block. So here we increase the count. Once it comes to the else block, we know that the coming number is prime number.
Very good.
So directly we use if condition. If count is equal that number, then we will print
very good. Very good. Okay, agree. So coming to the MySQL. So let me give you one. Yes, I'm having a table A. I'm having table B. Okay. So here C1, C2, 1 Raju, 2 Null, 3 Siva. Here also we are having C1 and C2. 1 Raju, 2 Null, 3 Siva. Okay. Just write inner join on top of these two tables, and you have to combine all the columns. First write the join, later tell me the result.
Inner join.
Inner join. Inner join A and B on all the columns. C1, C2, C1, C2. Okay. So I mean, you don't get 2 null.
Yes, sir.
Why?
When we compare null values, there is no value. So how do we compare?
We cannot compare. How do we do that?
Is null we use.
Is null we use. Very good. Very good. So what do you mean of decorator in Python?
It's a decorator. It is a special function which is used to modify input or output without modifying the original function.
Okay. Can you write a decorator like this? You just take a function which is returning a string. Okay. Just change it to uppercase. Okay. By using decorator, you change it to uppercase. Yes. Okay. Just tell me what is happening behind the scenes when you call display function.
So when we call display function, it returns the value. We give the decorator function.
So value is given to the decorator function.
No sir, it directly calls display method gives to the outer function, I mean first function. So from their function it will execute inner function
Directly.
Yes sir.
How you are not, you know where you are calling it, right?
So here
where you are calling inner function? No, you are telling executing inner function, right?
Here we call the inner function, sir.
You are calling the inner function directly?
Yes sir. No sir, it returns the inner function. So call will be goes to the here as the if decorator, the method will be accept any argument, the inner decorator will be accept the argument. So it passes to that function. So it returns the display method returns the value. So